Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech is Guru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to unhide a post on Instagram. With that, you need to head into Instagram. Make sure to sign in on Instagram account. Then tap on the bottom right corner profile icon. When you reach your profile page, you need to tap on the upper right corner three-line icon. On this page, you need to tap on archive option. When you reach on this page, tap on story archive, which is at the top of the screen. So on this drop down box you can see post archive. Simply tap on it. On this page you can view the archived post on Instagram. So when you archive the post on Instagram, it will be hidden from your profile. So in order to unhide this post, simply tap on this post, and now you need to tap on the three dotted line on the upper right corner and tap on show on profile option. Now again tap on show on profile. After a few minutes your post will be hidden on the Instagram. When you go back to Instagram, then you can easily view the post on your profile feed. So in this way you can easily unhide a post on Instagram. I hope you found this very useful. Thank you for watching.